Welcome back everybody. Today we will discuss about the dispersion of the light and Vibgyor formations. So first we will start with that what is a Vibgyor and what are the dispersions of the light, as we see that in the slides. Dispersion through the prism. Here if you notice that, then you find a white light is coming from the source. That is source always be a sun or anything that can be of white light that contain the seven color band. So it can be displayed through the prism because here are denser medium and here are rarer medium. So that's why it can be split into seven colors. If you read this slide, then you find that the same phenomena is said by that. But here of what can be mentioned, Vibgyor. Vibgyor, that's referred to the seven color band of the light that can be found in the white light. So as we change in the slides, that is Vibgyor spectrum and the rainbow formations. Vibgyor formation, the horizontal arrangements of the color that you have mentioned in that slide. If you see that rainbow formation due to the sun that can be reflected in a river or any lake or any near sources, water sources, and it can be reflected as a denser medium. So it produces light, and this light we see in the form of the rainbow. Now we will discuss about the second slides. Why the sky is blue? So a very important or random things that can be come in our mind, why the sky is blue. So this is the also the phenomena of the dispersion. If the sunlight is entered through the atmosphere, then it can be refracted through very of layers, like many layers of the atmosphere like stratosphere and ionosphere. So it can be refracted and reflected. So by the refraction phenomena it can be scattered, but due to the wavelength, that can be, it can be more wavelength more scatter, less wavelength less scatter. So the lower wavelength is of violet light, that it can be scatter more and the sky is looking blue. It can also be mentioned in that slide. So now we will come that everyday dispersion phenomena explained. So it can be what the everyday we will see around them. First, we see the DVD player. As we play the DVD, then in the reflection of the sun, it can seems like a band of seven colors, because it also the reflection phenomena can be happen. And we always in the bathroom or in the kitchens, we see the bubbles of the soaps that's perform the seven color of the rainbow. So here also the refraction phenomena can be done, because if the bubble is formed, then in the outer atmosphere it can perform as the rarer medium, and in the inside the bubble it can perform as the denser medium. So here the refraction phenomena can be done and the dispersion phenomena also done. So this is why we can see that the seven color band of the. So now we will come to the petrol. Petrol is a random examples that we can be also use in our bike or in our daily life vehicles. So here if this petrol can be refracted through the light or the sunlight or any source, then it can be refracted and the seven color band can be appears. So I think you will understand perfectly the concept of the dispersion. Thank you everybody. That's all from my side.